We're here today at the Fish and Boat Commission's Walnut Creek access area on the shores of Lake Erie to open up our fish cleaning station.
All right, 3, 2, 1.
So if anglers arrive with some fish that they want to clean, they'll basically come in, do their filleting inside the fish cleaning station, then they will deposit the remains into some manufactured holes in the cooler that will be discarded into some large plastic totes, which will then be stored in the cooler building until a company that we're partnering with, the Dram Corporation, can pick them up weekly, and then the remnants will be rendered into organic fertilizer.
This is just such a wonderful thing for Erie County and the fishing community and everyone that likes to use the Lake Erie access points. You know, we have folks come in from around the world for our world-class fisheries here, and to finally have a quality fish cleaning station really ups our game here.
The anglers are very excited to start using them. It'll be great for the economy here in the Erie area. It's also environmentally conscious because the remains are being recycled and used for fertilizer.
For my whole career here, the local organizations here in Erie have been asking for fish cleaning stations. Really, the legislation that was passed by the local legislators in freeing up the funding was one of the major contributors to fund this project.
It was a collaborative effort between the House and Senate Game and Fisheries Committees. Glad to have helped usher House Bill 808 through that expanded the use of the Lake Erie stamp to do more than just some stream access.
It'll be open 24/7. They're open today and available for everyone's use at no charge, and we're thrilled to have them here at Walnut Creek and also at the Northeast Marina.
And we're on the start of a period of time where we're going to make Lake Erie's waterfront even better than it is.
Lake Erie is a world-class fishery, so we built them a world-class facility in this fish cleaning station. I think the public's really going to enjoy it. If you want to learn about how the Lake Erie permits fund projects like this, go to fishandboat.com.